If you are a content creator or running a virtual influencer, then you may know the importance of faceswap. From creating high CTR thumbnails to creating consistent character videos, faceswap is now a part of content creation. But the problem is, you have to pay a lot to buy a faceswap tool subscription. Don't worry, today I am going to introduce a 100% free faceswap tool where you can swap faces between images, videos, and it even supports multiple faces at a time. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing VidMage AI, a completely free-to-use AI face swap tool. It can swap faces effortlessly in photos and videos with AI-powered precision. Upload your image and let VidMage's advanced face-swapping technology generate hilarious, realistic results in seconds for you, free and online. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and grab the link. Once you are on this page, click on the login button to create a free account. If you are a Mac user, you can install the app on your device. I am going with the web version. So, I am logging in with my Google account. After logging in, you can access all the features and start creating content. Here, at the top menu bar, you will find all the tools. Let's start with the Face Swap tool. This is the Face Swap interface. Here, you will find three options: Photo Face Swap, Video Face Swap, and Multiple Face Swap. Let's start with the Photo Face Swap. First of all, we have to upload the original image with a face. I am uploading this image. After uploading the original image or the target image, upload the face image by clicking here. Once the target image and the face image are uploaded, click on the Swap Face button here. You can see the AI is now analyzing the images. Once it's done, it will swap the faces. It will take some time. And here it is. The process is completed. And you can see the before and after views from here. VidMage did a great job, and the result is in front of you. It perfectly swaps the face. It's even the eye color, nose composition, lip features, and other facial features, while the original settings remain intact. Now, no unusual element in the image. I like it. This is really a great output. You can download the image by clicking on the download button. Okay, now let's see the Video Face Swap tool. After coming to the Video Face Swap, we have to upload the target video. Here is one thing you have to keep in mind. In the free version, you can upload a maximum of 15-second long videos and up to HD video, while subscribers can upload 5-minute long 4K videos. And to grab a subscriber's plan, you have to pay only $9.99 per month. And if you want to buy the yearly plan, you have to pay $69.99 for 1 year. Both of them are very reasonable. As I'm a heavy user, I bought the yearly plan. However, you can try it for free and then buy the plan if you need. Alright, after uploading the target video clip, you have to upload the face image. I am uploading this image. Once everything is set, hit the swap face button and then wait for some time. Believe me, this is not long. As per my user experience, it's faster than any video face swap or deepfake tool. And our video is ready. Let's have a look. This is just amazing. VidMage perfectly swaps faces from the video with our face image, and the result is just perfect. You won't notice any morphing or unusual elements in the video. The facial features are replaced perfectly. Here, you can see the before and the after version of the video. So now you can create this kind of high-quality deepfake videos totally for free. The only limitation is you can use a 15-second video in the free plan. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Alright, now let's move forward to the Multiple Face Swap tool. If you have an image with multiple faces and want to swap the faces in one click, then this tool is for you. For example, I am uploading this image as the target image. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will detect the face automatically. Here you can notice that VidMage detects 3 faces as per our target image. Now we have to upload the reference face image for every face. For this face, I am uploading this image. For the next one, I will upload this image. And for the last face, I will upload this image. Once all the images are uploaded, simply hit the swap face button. The AI starts its work. We have to just wait for a short time. And here it is. The image is ready. You can see the result. This is just amazing. VidMage perfectly swaps all the faces according to the face images. I am really amazed by the result. This is not the end. You will find more amazing features on VidMage. There are some tools available exclusively for the Mac user. This live face swap for video calls is the most amazing feature. You can instantly swap faces live in video calls. Use built-in templates or upload your own. Swap full faces or just eyes, nose, or mouth. Perfect for fun, privacy, or content creation. Alright, here in the Other AI Tools tab, you will find some more tools like GIF Face Swap. With this tool, you can swap faces from any GIF. After coming to the GIF swap interface, upload the GIF you want to customize. After that, upload the face image. Once done, hit the Swap Face button. And here is the new GIF with Elon Musk's face ready. Want to swap faces from multiple images with a single click? Then use the free batch face swap tool. Once you are on this page, upload all the target images. Once the images are uploaded, upload the face image and then hit the Swap Face button. And here are the face swapped images. You can notice that all the images have the same face. So, if you want to swap faces of multiple images, use the free batch face swap tool. There are some more tools like Face Morph, Gender Swap, Celebrity Face Swap, AI Head Swap, Free AI Deepfake Face Swap, and others available here. All of them are very effective and interesting. You can try them yourself. In conclusion, VidMage AI is an amazing face swap tool. Where other AI tools charge a high price to swap faces, it offers a completely free user experience. And the capability of VidMage is also amazing. Despite being a free tool, it produces high-quality results. So don't forget to try the tool. The link will be in the description box. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about VidMage AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!